In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any image into anime-style picture. There are two image generators with free plans and a variety of different styles. First tool is SeaArt AI. SeaArt has lots of different features and uses stable diffusion models from SeaArt AI. After creating account, go to Image Generation tab. There are many different settings and features, but I'll explain all the things you need in this case. First, click on Image to Image. Add the image you want to use as reference. Enable intelligent analysis, so the description of your image will be generated automatically. Edit the prompt and delete unnecessary things. For example, it always adds names of some celebrities which are a little bit similar to the person on the image. This time here is Anya Taylor-Joy. Select model that corresponds your goals here. Here are anime models. There are lots of them, so look at the thumbnails and read descriptions to decide what exactly you need. I'll select Grand Mix this time. Loris are for enabling additional styles when the model is selected, but this time, single anime model will be enough. I'll set quality to ultra high. Image size is automatically set to the same as my uploaded picture, but sometimes it doesn't match, so you'll have to set it manually to avoid stretched images vertically or horizontally as a result. Denoising strength value defines the correspondence between original and generated images. The higher denoising value, the less similarity between the result and reference. In the advanced config, you can see negative prompt, which is automatically added when you select model. I recommend to change it if some unnecessary object appears all the time on your generated images, for example. VAE affects the color scheme and some small details. I created the same image but with different VAS, so you can compare them. Sampling method is image creation algorithm. It is automatically set when you choose model. Of course, you can change it if you are experienced enough. Ensure that some different sampling method will provide you better result. Sampling steps are steps of overall quality improvement. The more steps, the more three-dimensional images will be. CFG scale controls the correspondence between prompt and result. The higher CFG scale value, the more details generated images will have. Clip skip makes colors more contrast, vibrant, and kind of creative. Values 2 or 3 are recommended. Here you can see the cost of this generation. You have 150 free credits daily. Generation cost depends, of course, on number of images and quality. Wait for it to be generated. All the images are a little bit different. The original image is still recognizable in all cases. Click here to make another attempt with the same settings. I'll just increase denoising strength, which will make the generated images less similar to the original one. This time, images are closer to the prompt than to the reference image. So denoising strength value equal to 0.76 is too much. This time I set it to 0.26. And you can see that generated pictures have small differences from the original image. And now I'll add another close-up portrait photo. Change model. I'll select counterfeit V3 for example. Optimal denoising strength can be different in different cases. For this generation, I'll set higher clip skip and CFG scale values. These images are overloaded with small unnecessary details and look creepy, so I'll make second attempt but with lower clip skip, CFG scale, and sampling steps. You can compare images from previous and this generation. Much better this time, but it will become even better if I make third try and decrease denoising strength to 0.36. Because of lots of hair on the face, I got better result after decreasing denoising strength value and other adjustments. By clicking on any image, you can see different additional options. Here is Creative Upscale, which makes your image larger and can improve it by making it smoother and adding some small details. But for some images, it works better than for others. In this case, image became worse because woman's face is too red. But Upscale added some juice to this image so it looks really good. Second tool is Leonardo AI. Sign in and go to Image Creation tab. Click here to add your image. You have to select Image to Image option. Here are images I previously uploaded here. Click here to add your picture. Click on the reference image to see adjustments. Click on the match button so the generated images will have the same aspect ratio. And strength setting is already familiar to you. Then, you should choose the right model and preset. First of all, you can select anime model, which is created specially for generating corresponding type of pictures. Here is wide range of different anime presets. Contrast should be low or medium. High will be too much. In advanced settings, you can enable negative prompt and other useful features if you want. You can use brief description of your image as prompt. Images are nice, but sometimes Leonardo AI generates less images than it should. Default number of images is 4 on the free account. I'll increase strength value to 0.51. Okay, Leonardo failed to generate it. I'll make another try without changing anything. In Leonardo AI, strength works in the opposite way to the denoising strength in SeaArt AI. I'll select some other preset, for example manga, and contrast will be high. This time I got only 1 image instead of 4. Don't forget to use prompt to add missing things on the generated images like face expressions, colors, etc.